Welcome to this online course. I'm Stefan Reinhardt, Director of the Education Program for the C.L.E.A.R Institute, and I will guide you, I will give you just a short walkthrough on how to navigate this course, how it works. Maybe this is your first experience. If it's not, if you're an experienced user already, you can skip this video and start the course right now. But in case it's your first time, let me just show you how it works. Now, if you're here already, it's a good chance that because you were able to enter the platform, which is good. Now, when you enter the platform, you will arrive at this page, the home page. And this is where we will navigate to the course. Now, what you see here, you have your courses and learning plan just here. After that, you have update and complete your profile or question and contact us. If you want to look at your course, see your courses, you can click here directly on this and it will bring you to your courses. You have 3 columns here, the registered column, in progress, or completed. Now, of course, I'm registered to all the courses, so everything is there. But in your case, if it's your first course, you will see your registered course here. Now, once you start the course, it will automatically be transferred in the in progress column. And when it's completed and you have downloaded your certificate, done everything, then it will be in the completed course. Doesn't mean that it's not accessible. You have access to your course for a whole year, 365 days. There's another way also. You have a burger menu here on the top left corner. If you click there, in your case, you will have less options than this because this is the admin page. But you have the home page, you have my courses or the course catalog. So go to my courses and it brings you to the same page. If I want to go back to the home page, this is where I click, I'm back to the home page. So let's go in a course because I want to show you how it works once you enter the course. So let's take an online course. Let's take the distalization mechanics with C.L.E.A.R aligners. You see here on the left side, you have all the videos. Introduction to distalization mechanics video. You have the handout. Everything is there that you need is there. The handout is here. Once you click on this, you can download the handout. You just click here, you will download the handout. Options to distalize, another video. And once you enter a video, you have here the option of moving forward 10 seconds like this. A little bit like what you find on YouTube. You can go backward 10 seconds. You have the control of the volume here with mute and unmute, and you can control the volume. On the right side, you have this little wheel here with the settings and the playback speed.
Sometimes people think I don't talk fast enough.
So you can put at 1.1, 1.25 if you want to listen to my voice a little bit faster. You can look at it on full screen like this. Maybe not a good idea. We'll just go back to how it was. You can jump to next lesson like this. You can go back to the previous lesson. Once you start a video, the platform will remember where you were. So we'll get you to the same place where you were. So if you leave it, you come back, it will continue where you were. I can expand the view also by clicking here like this, coming back to how it was. And if you scroll down, you will have the course description here like this. You can have some files. Sometimes in some courses we have some files that you can download or some links to other courses. You will find these things here. You have all the course details here, average completion time, the credits, course ID, time to complete. Some comments, you can leave some comments here. You can ask questions here on the course. And we answer the questions sometimes in video, sometimes by writing, like this one here. See, we answered by writing. Here we answered by writing, and that's about it. This is how you navigate. Once you completed the course, you see here there's a thank you for answering this short survey. So you have a survey to fill and to answer, and this will unlock the test. So once you answer the survey, and please do it because it really helps us improve and it gives us the right feedback on our courses. And it's important, and we read them all. I read them all personally. The thing is, those surveys are anonymous. So they're really anonymous. We don't know, if you don't write your name, we don't know where it comes from. And it's a good thing. The only thing is sometimes people write really nice feedbacks and comments, and it would be interesting to know from who it comes from. So the deal we do is, if you write your name after your comment, if you write a nice comment, nice testimonial, if you write your name, it's because you give us permission to use your comment in our in the marketing of our courses and our social media. It would be, I mean, that's the best gift you can give us, really. So please write your name if you want us to share, if you give us permission to share your comments with your peers. It could help other dentists, some of your colleagues, to do the same thing and to benefit from, I think, a really different way of learning about clear aligners, a certainly high quality education, and it's entertaining at the same time. So once you answer the survey, it will unlock the test, and usually there's 5 test questions that are very hard and difficult, but you have to answer them, and once you answer them correctly, it will unlock your certificate. You will be able to download your certificate. And this is the reason why we have a test like this, and that it's mandatory. It's because we're an AGD PACE approved provider, and because of that we have to do this process. But this gives credibility to your CE credits, which again is a very good thing. So that's it. That's a little walkthrough on how to navigate the courses. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at info@theclearinstitute.com. And as always, we answer faster than a cuspid can rotate. I'm Stefan Reinhardt, Director of the Education Program for the C.L.E.A.R Institute. Have fun making the move, have fun learning, and I will see you very soon online on this platform.